So we received this, and apparently it's a lot of CDI stuff. Well, first thing when I open it, it's this SideQuest drive which says damaged, and it says Adobe Illustrator 5.5. Thankfully, we do have a reader for the SideQuest 44 megabytes, so we'll see if it's actually broken, and at least that's actually the very first test version we have, because we have a lot of data heritage, so we read in old media, and we never had a 44 megabyte SideQuest drive. Well, we actually had that to read, but not for ourselves, so we never could test if the drive was actually working. So far it has, by the way. Here's another one, 44 megabytes, fonts apparently. And some kind of Optima drive with some Quark Express. It looks like a same SideQuest drive, as you can see over here. So it's mostly SideQuest drive so far. So now we get our first unknown box. It says Valiant, but I highly doubt it's actually. Ah, look, CDs, DVD, CDIs. So let's put it all a little bit over here. There you go. Oh, I love the LEDs over here. So we have Wayne's World, Fatal Attraction. It's all video CDs. This looks like a copy. Oh, it's actually a real one. Indecent Proposal. Apparently it's legal. Interesting. So we get more karaoke. No more karaoke. Karaoke and karaoke. So 4 karaokes. And Burn Cycle, a mind-blowing game. Tina Turner, Scrooged. So kind of nice to have all these videos. Bryan Adams, Eric Clapton. It's all CDI, by the way. For those who don't know yet, at December 3 of 2021 we have a really large CDI event with a lot of people coming in who worked at the CDI standard and were responsible for that, so they are telling their story about CDI. So we have another box. I just opened it. Hey, it's a hard disk. It's, oh wow, 1.6 gigabytes hard disk, so it's always good to have. Okay, more from the box. That's an empty box. Let's set. I can actually show you the box a little bit. So we still have a lot of things to go through. So anyway, yes. Let's. Okay, we have. Oh, this one is actually still. Yeah, I can detach. Alright. I have to move again because this is really annoying for me. Alright. So we have SideQuest drive disks, hard disks, and some CDIs so far. Some, pretty much CDIs. Quite a lot of network cables. Just standard network cables. Oh, fine. You can always use those, so that's fine. Another random box with cables. TV cables and stuff. This one is sealed. Let's get a cutting device. Cutting device. A knife. So, and it falls down, but it doesn't matter because there are cables. Network cables, TV cables. Sure, we'll take it. So now we're getting into a few bigger boxes. So let's cut this one open. It feels like there's something like CDs inside, and indeed there are CDs inside. At least CDIs even. So, Stalingrad, never heard of it. Pink Floyd, The Wall on video CD. Yeah, it's a lot. I won't skip through all those because CDI demonstration disc and it's a lot, as you can see over here. So basically this is a whole box of CDIs, video CDs, and that will name that tune. Oh, that seems like I'm going to play that. Boxing lane. I love these illegal, at least these copies. Let's see what's on there. What does it say on there? It says Bruce Almighty on DVD. So we have Bruce Almighty on a copy. Yeah, it's a lot of copies. I have to really through it at more quiet because they still have plenty of things to unpack over here. Ooh, a free demo disc. That's interesting. Digital video free demo disc. Maybe that's a good idea to put this one in the DVD or in the CDI player today. Use multimedia, find from ID to CD. Alright. More U2. Crying game. Yeah, and it's just, this box is completely filled with Into the Wild, For Your Don't Get Caught. My God, it's hey. Karaoke. So you can do karaoke now at the museum. And it won't cost you anything extra. You can just come in, pay €8.88 and go to do karaoke. That's all. Dillinger and Capone. Battle for Arnhem. On a video CD. Huh? Okay, interesting. Wow, Mission Impossible. Roepie. There's a roepie over there. I saw something naked. I was like, oh, naked. Frozen Planet. And that's all on the CDI. I can't imagine this is on CDI. Doesn't say so. Probably not. 2011. I don't think this is CDI, but anyway. DVD video. Alright. And another box empty. There we go. That's one box. Smaller box like this one. So let's open that. We actually have to, if we have this kind of collections, we have to check every single one of them if they work, and if they work, if they're legal. If they're legal, then we keep them. But they're all in the database, so yeah, I have to do this anyway. This is CDI stuff, and there's a remote for some kind of Iliama. A CDI remote. This CDI joystick with the modification. Home built. My god. Alright. More cables and Apocalypse Now on video CD. And then we are in the range of Naked Gun, my favorite movie of all time. Dutch Film Festival 95, The Firm, Planes, Trains and Automobiles. Actually never saw that, so actually I can watch it now. Naked Gun 2.5, fun. Even there are 2 discs, see? Disc 1 and disc 2. And a Naked Gun. And some random cables, SCART cable and a power cable. And then we'll see the player itself. So this is the player, I suppose. At least it's packed well. Looks like 210 or maybe 220 CDI player. It's always it's packed very well. The tray is missing. It's a 210 without the front tray, but yeah, that's always a problem with these drives. I don't know if you could see it, but there's no front. But it's always a problem with these drives, that the front is always, or the front is not that stable. So we have a CDI player and it doesn't feel like it's actually working anymore. But hey, it's a DVD, it's a CDI player, so that's cool. And I guess the next thing inside the box, oh, there's also a manual for the CDI 210. See, there's the front. And there's even a piece of metal over here. And a piece of plastic. I don't know. Also there. And we received an Iliama monitor TV thingy. That's all there is in the box, except for packing material. So yeah, this is just HDMI SCART. It's actually a pretty nice looking television. Yeah, it may be my I may be taking it for my Amiga, which is over there, which has a bad 4.43 screen over there, but that supports HDMI and VGA input, and I need those two for running everything I want. But the screen is much better. It's 1619 already. Anyway, so yeah, we have this quite amazing a big donation, especially a lot of CDI tracks, CDI discs even. Yeah, it's thank you, Jaap, for this amazing donation. Yeah, it's I love it, especially the huge amount of CDI titles. And don't forget, on December the 3rd of this year, 2021, there will be a huge CDI event in the Home Computer Museum. be there. There will be announcements on the web pages, on social media. You can follow us in the description below. There are all the links to the social media parts we have. Also consider to become a Patreon, because this is a home museum and it's not that it can support itself by thin air. So we need money in order to get all this stuff up and running. So if you are a Patreon, you get some inside information, you get a lot of fun news, you get great backgrounds and all this awesome stuff. Plus, best of all, you are actually helping the museum. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.